This is Paul. Yeah. I've been going through this uh, this Superior Court case summary. Yes. And yesterday I got through. Well, my rights were violated on the 8th of 2011, the 22nd of July of 2011, the 12th of August of 2011. And then it was violated on the 31st of May of 2012, after I had been arrested when there was no jurisdiction. Yes. After the petitioner had motioned for dissolution of marriage. Yes. When they said that I broke the protection order, but I didn't. Right. Now, I might get through all of these today. I'm not quite sure. I'll probably just make one more movie, but I had a question about neonatology, the medical study of the first 60 days of a baby's life. Now, I had informed Olympic Medical Center and different clinics and hospitals and those that are private physicians about some problems involving child abuse and obstruction of justice and violating my constitutional rights. Yes. I just wanted to get every phone number and every IP address in every hospital in the United States. Now, it could be that when little tiny babies are born in the hospital and you use fish doctors, bring some gold, that they might just want to sow some frequencies, some high definition television into the brains of newborns. Now, neonatology is the study of the first 60 days of a baby's life. I'm going to want the actual voice over IP systems of every mandatory reporter in the medical profession. Those that know about being on each other. Now, it could be, okay, that as a father, all right, that I might have had more children by this time if the laws of the United States were enforced. I know that most physicians don't have unions, or do they? I've went through the nurses, the registered nurses, and the certified nursing assistants, and the emergency. I'm going to want to know every phone number of every room in every hospital and private clinic where they are mandatory reporters and they have to report child abuse. Now, as I have explained, when you refused to enforce the laws of the United States, when you refused to enforce the 10 amendments in the Bill of Rights, and I had emailed those that are mandatory reporters, those that are doctors, board certified. I'm going to want to know how many of them been watching hallucination television, how many of them are sewed into their patients, and how many babies have been born for the last 10 years that were connected to any hospital, clinic, or any other system. Now, get me the IP addresses where every mandatory reporter works, get me their telephone numbers, and get me the last 40 years of incoming and outgoing phone calls. And if I find anything sewn into the brains of any newborn for the last 20 years, I'm going to sue every hospital in the United States.